Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS4 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. And first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. And you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called reset, it's at the bottom. Tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And once the resetting process is complete, you should see the QR code on the screen. And that's how you factory reset this device by using the system settings on the watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.